Right guys, so I would like to go over the dashboard from Model Lighting Solutions. Adam Farlow made this. This is the Scania dash which will be going in the Scania, and it's a light up dashboard, and where you can see all these little dots here and there. There are little fibre optics to imitate the dashboard and all the buttons and switches etc, and to the front where you'd read through the window, hauling ass, that also lights up too. It's detailed on there a little bit. There's a little aluminium flask on there and some road maps, usual stuff that you'd find in a truck cabin. We can detail a few more little bits here and there within the cab once we get into that stage, but next I need to get the dashboard in, and then I can get my interior and my seats in and stuff like that. It's coming along now pretty quickly, is this Scania. So like I said, next phase is this dashboard, but because it's not just your normal dashboard, I thought it'd be nice to let people have a look. I have done one of these before when I was building my Mercedes Actros SLT, and I used an Adam Farlow dash in that. Sorry, Model Lighting Solutions, Adam Farlow's the owner. So yep, I used the light up dash in that. So there is a video on the Mercedes dash somewhere in the archive of my videos, so feel free to take a look at that one. So this one, now what you do if you go on the website and you would like one of these dashes, I think he does them already made, but what we do is we send our original Tamiya dashboard and stuff like that out of the kit, and then he converts them for us using the fibre optic kits he makes, or you can purchase the fibre optic kits and have a go at installing them yourself. Now electrics and stuff like that really isn't my strongest point. I'm not the best when it comes to electrics, so it's every now and again I'd just rather someone else do that job for me. I mean, we're all learning, and there's just some things that take longer than others to get your head around. So looking from the front of the dash, you can see it's just your normal dash, and then this is all the technical stuff. This is what I find to be all the fiddly bits, wiring up like resistors and stuff like that. I just don't get resistors, I don't know, I just don't get it. People can explain it to me and keep explaining, but it just, I don't know, it just doesn't sink in. So that's the dashboard, and then that runs down to this positive and negative wire. So you have the option to wire that how you choose, whether you wire it to a switch or a little plug. So let's kill some lights in here, get it nice and cosy and romantic, and let's admire the dashboard. So I'm sorry if the picture's a little bit fuzzy, but I don't have the best low light on this camera. So all I've got here is normal NIM pack, and all I'm going to do is connect the positive to the negative into the end of there. There we go. And just get them to hold in there. So there you are, looking at the driver's view of the dash. You can see all the little switches and things lit up. There's some amber ones, there's some red ones, some white ones. The camera really doesn't do it justice. So if we just turn that dash around, yeah, it really is a nice little bit of kit. Let's see if we let some light in, whether we can still see that. So that, guys, is basically that, and if you're interested in one of those, you can go to Adam's website, and that's modellightingsolutions.com, sorry, so that's modellightingsolutions.com. Might be able to just, can you pick that up there? I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, I'll drop the link in the description there for you, so you can just copy and paste that or click it and take you straight to his website. Also, he does all kinds of other light up stuff for trucks, various trucks. So yeah, head over to Adam's website, check out his goodies, maybe purchase yourself some goodies while you're looking there, bling that truck up, bring it to life, and yeah, just in all general, have fun with it all. So have fun with whatever you are building, guys, and I shall catch you all in the next video. And the usual subscriptions, likes, comments and all that, it's all most appreciated. So ciao for now.